Welcome to Voice Superstars, powered by Paravox Academy. I'm Paran Thakur. I was an RJ for 2 decades, Radio Mirchi, Fever 104 FM radio stations in Dubai. Then I switched over to being a full-time voiceover artist, which I continue to be, voice actor, voice talent, whatever you may want to call it. But now I am driven to help you speak and sound better, starting with your voice. Bring out the best version of your voice. I truly believe that each one of us has a superstar voice inside them. I want to help you bring out that voice, which is the reason that we have this community, Voice Superstars. So if you have recently joined or you have been here for a while, this is where you start. First of all, a couple of things that I want to tell you. Welcome to the community to begin with. I'm glad you are here on this journey. There are a couple of ground rules, shall we say, and best practices that you must follow to make the most of your experience here on Skool on Voice Superstars. Let's talk about that one by one, starting now. Number one, our big plan for you is that at the moment, we want to give you value by me turning up live for you every Sunday, 10:30 a.m. IST on something that we call the Sunday Specials. It's a live Q&A, but very, very soon on the specials, which happen every Sunday, you will start getting some of my friends come in. They could be celebrities, experts, people who have used their voice in whatever industry that they have been in to make millions of dollars. That is what the essence of the guests are going to be. People who are going to help us with everything from our vocal foundations to body language to public speaking, and of course, our breathing, which is all important when we talk about voice. Number two, the people who we regularly see attending these Sunday calls are the ones who are going to get access to our groups which have been specially created for you. On WhatsApp, we have an exclusive Voice Superstars group. But you're going to have to earn your way to being in that by being one of the people who, number one, on the Skool community, posts regularly, encourages others, shares your experience, keeps it positive. Start with your introduction post. Come on. If you are going to be talking about your voice being heard, why not your words initially being the expression on our platform on Skool, where introduce yourself. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Write a nice bio for yourself. Skool's a very amazing platform. It's very versatile. There are other communities. If your personal development, your growth, progress is what you are here for, it's a great platform. I really, really look up to Alex Hermosi, who's now one of the co-owners of Skool. And really, you can gain a lot. Now, coming back to our community, be one of those people who contribute, who show up for the Sunday calls. We're going to be introducing some courses absolutely free for you. They will be first for you, like a weekly video that I plan to make, which we will not even release on YouTube. First, we will share it with our community. So you want to be in the WhatsApp because then you are going to be very nicely, tightly in communication with us. You'll be up to speed with everything new that we are releasing and the live sessions, voice coaching, voice trainings that we are conducting specially for you in the community. The fundamental building block on which you improve your voice is by first getting your breathing in order. So there's a video here which is about the breathing exercises, the vocal warm-ups, and the voice exercises that you need to be doing. At the time of you watching this video, there might be an old version of it, but I intend to now start creating new content, which I will post exclusively on the community. It'll be a weekly 4-5 minute video, but we'll touch upon any one factor, whether it is vocal elements, whether it's your voice, vocal foundations, local vocal archetypes, something I will give you on a weekly basis in a 5-6 minute video format. Watch out for those. They will be in the courses tab. Also discover things on the Skool community. So you can chat for sure once you get to a certain level, but we also have the 21-day voice ninja challenge that is going on in the community. As much as you get likes and share, you will also go up on the leaderboard. So That's the little gamification fun element that we have for you. But the all important thing is to learn, implement, get as much as you can, as we on behalf of Paravox Academy try and give you all that we can to empower you to find your most confident, authentic, and charming voice. Something which is captivating as a voice. Something I'm saying, a voice which is captivating, which gives you all the tools that you need, the asset that you need in the most important tool of your communication, your voice. And that's my goal, really. I want to make the next generation of us from India who are going to be economically, in status, a world power, more presentable. For that, it starts with us finding the right voice, tone, body language, communication. And my mission is to empower you for free till as long as I have the bandwidth to do it. And with that intent is why we've started Voice Superstars. So I hope you enjoy your time here on our community. Keep coming in, whether it's on the app, whether it's on your laptop and other devices on the World Wide Web. But you keep checking in with us, especially attend all our live trainings, starting with the Sunday, 10:30 a.m. India time. And lastly, I want to remind you all that your voice deserves to be heard. There are many people who don't like the sound of their own voices. Yes, 38%. That number, according to a study by US Med, becomes a majority when people are reminded of the first time that they heard their recording. You know, when people hear their recording for the first time, today we live in a day of voice notes and making videos and things like that. But imagine the first time, remember the first time you heard your recorded voice. 58% are dissatisfied. They experience a moment of cringe. Is that my voice? Now, my role and purpose and goal as your voice coach is to help you fall in love with your voice again. The voice you are speaking in right now is a series of habits and behaviors that have happened due to the influences, the modeling, the copying that you have done of other people's vocal archetypes. So when people ask me, can I change my voice? If you are willing to put in the effort, be consistent, be disciplined, of course you can. There is so much you can do with your voice. After all, we are blessed with a vocal instrument. My question to you is, when there is an instrument, a guitar, a piano, do you use it or do you play it? You can do the same with your voice. One day, you can create beautiful melody. You can have your message heard loud and clear. You can be somebody who creates an impact, is influential, makes more money, has better relationship if you find your best version of your voice, because your voice is fundamentally you. Your voice is your personality. Your vocal image completes your visual image. More on that in subsequent sessions, whether recorded, whether live. Spend time here, and together we should be happy to serve you in your journey of transforming your voice. Welcome to Voice Superstars.